Alright, there's been a little bit of a debate about how a chainsaw will cut when half of the cutters are a different length than the other half of the cutters. If you look at this chain, all of the left-hand cutters are way shorter than the right-hand cutters. I'm just curious to see if this saw is going to cut straight or if it's going to bend hard to the left or to the right. So anyway, I sharpened this chain and I set all the rakers according to the height of the tooth and not bridge between them. I didn't set them all the same height. I set them all according to the height of the teeth. So we're going to see if this saw will cut straight using an 044 chainsaw with a 24-inch bar or 25-inch bar in this big chunk of Osage orange or hedgewood. So give the phone up. Here we go. Kind of get that camera up there and show just how straight that cut is, like show the air through it there, kind of like go on the back side and look through it. Pretty good evidence there that if you got your raker set properly, it doesn't really matter what your teeth look like as long as you set each raker for each individual tooth. Thanks for watching.